Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there on day 2 of January 2026? Hope you're having an amazing day today. All right, it's Friday. We're back. Want to come and do our quick video for the morning. We're getting our email out this morning. But first, if you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, we're back. Now, before we get into that as well, I want to make sure you guys go check out my other affiliate programs on how to earn online. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, and the link is also in the description of the video. And of course, we've got to mention our FTC disclaimer. You can't make any income claims or any guarantees of what you can earn here. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with the business. You can check out the full disclosure at income.thehba.net, all right, because it takes work, effort, and commitment to get the results, all right. Now, let's get into this really quickly here. Let's go over here. This is where we start here with our Let's Go, the Home Business Academy. Today is Friday, January 2nd, 2026, and this is the quote that pops up for me today. First, we make our choices, and then our choices makes us. All right, the Traveler's Gift is the author of that. This app pops up with quotes and inspiration that they load into the system, but you can also put your own in there as well, and you can actually eliminate all of theirs and just use yours only, or you can put yours in and then it will alternate yours and the company's quotes. All right, so it's a pretty cool feature they got going on. So that's the quote for today. But what we're doing here, we're using one of our resources or tools, if you will, to send out emails for the HBA Home Business Academy. All right, so we've got the Home Business Academy. That's what we're promoting in these emails. Okay, this is just one of the resources that we use, guys. All right, the email marketing. All right, and we're using My Lead Gen Secret to do so. Okay, hang on. All right, this particular tool has been around since what, 2019-ish, somewhere in that area. And what they do is they give you 100 business opportunity seeker leads. These are people that have actually raised their hand and said, hey, I'm looking for a home-based business. I'm looking for a way to make money online in affiliate marketing. All right, so they send you, well, give you, you're going to have access to them. You're going to log into their system, and you get these every day, 7 days a week, 100 to 200 new email leads every day on Autopilot. Once you refer one person, then they double your emails and they give you 200 a day. Okay, so just think about 100 a day. That's 3,000 emails a month of people that you can actually email your business opportunity to. All right, and these are real leads. They give us the name, the email, the IP address. I've got leads in here that's been in here for 3 years, and I see folks are responding, guys. After 3 years, I haven't even been into this platform. So this is not bots. All right, there's no way that folks will be opening these emails if they weren't real. All right, of course, they're business opportunity seekers, so you have to continuously send the information, be consistent with your emails. All right, so you're going to email them. You can email them once a day, one-click submission. This is a built-in email platform that you're going to get access to. The emails are going to be inside the platform, and you just send an email. Get your own private email submitter with opt-in leads added automatically every day. You can mail to your leads every 24 hours. 100 to 200 new leads will be automatically loaded into the private mailing system daily. Over 98% of the leads are from the U.S. Just log into your mailer daily and send them all a message with your offer. Here's how it can multiply your email list, right? So they're already leads, so you're not going to send them to a capture page, right? You're just going to send them to your VSL, all right, your sales page. So 100 leads times 30 days, which is what I just mentioned, is 3,000 leads per month. Once you refer one person, that wants this system as well, because it's an affiliate component with it, they're going to start sending you 200 leads. That's 6,000 leads a month. Think about that, month after month after month after month over years. And you mail them all with one click from inside the members area every day. Okay? And this is one of the pages. You get like 3 or 4 different links that they give you that's coded to you, affiliate links, so that you can promote the My Lead Gen Secret system. So here's one of the pages. Okay, and I think I'm going to add, because I'm promoting in my emails, I'm sending them to my HBA link, right? But I'm going to also add at the bottom as a PS, here's the system I'm using, and let's add that in there as well. And I'm going to send them to this page right here. This is a video right here, by the way, okay? And it has testimonies in that video too. So they explain the whole program, okay? And so this is the page that they will read over about My Lead Gen Secret. So I'm using this because I'm getting 200 leads a day, and I'm sending an email to my folks in here. Now I've already, for the sake of the video, I went ahead and copied and pasted my email. And remember, I told you I'm using the Home Business Academy, right? I'm over here. Let's see. I'm going in over here in the Home Business Academy under the premium, all right, the premium membership. They have what's called the Prompt Right AI, and in here it's like a chat GPT, if you will, but it's better. And this is the company's proprietary product. They own the Prompt Right AI, so you're not going to be able to go and buy Prompt Right AI a la carte. However, there's other, softwares out there, but this one is owned by the Home Business Academy. So I have access to that, and I go in here and I ask it for what I want, and I have tons of emails, tons of all this stuff that I can just create on the fly, and I've done that. So I've copied that from over here, and I put it over here. All right, so in my mailer, all I do is come over here and click under mailing system, right? And it tells me I've got 125,400 leads. Okay, they gave me 200 today. Get 200 every day because I have at least one person as an affiliate that signed up with me. Here's my subject. I took it from over here, right? I'm using from over here. I put it over here because I create them on the fly, right? All right, and then we come back over here and we just paste it. So we got our subject. All right, I'm going to use the first name because we got the email leads. We know their first name. And I paste it in here. Boom, right? And I put my name in here. And I put the link. This is the link I'm using from Home Business Academy. Where is it? I'm sending them to this page. Okay, this is where I'm sending them. But now I'm also going to send them to this page right here at the bottom. Hang on. I thought it wasn't recording, guys. But here's the email. I just pasted everything from over here. Remember? Let me move this out the way. This thing wasn't recording. I was talking. Alright, so I copied everything from here. I went in over here. And I input everything in here. Actually, I did... where did it go? Where did it go? Hang on. Alright, so I pasted everything over here. And this is where it goes. Alright, so remember, we're getting our ads from the Home Business Academy, the Prompt Right AI. I'm making them up on the fly. Okay, so anybody that joins me, I can make you some up as well, guys. Alright, and then I just put them in here and I'm sending this out. Now take a look at the one I sent on New Year's Eve. Look, you're 30 minutes away from ... right? And it went out to 125,000. It's 125,000 leads. And look, 6,000 opened it. Is that crazy? 227 clicked it. All right. So this is all about exposure. It's a traffic source to get exposure to your site. I mean, to whatever you're offering, guys. That's what this is all about. That's the name of the game is you have to get exposure, eyeballs of people to your offer. Okay, you can join a new program every day, every week. Joining a new program is not going to be the issue. Okay, it's not necessarily the program. Okay, you got to learn how to market it. And so you're going to learn that over here in the Home Business Academy. They're going to teach you how to market. This is the hub right over here, right? You're going to learn affiliate marketing, all of that over here. And you can get started over here for $25, okay? The $25 digital business. That's what we're talking about. You get all the training. They're going to resume all the coaching and masterminds January 5th because we're on winter break right now. But all the replays are in here, okay? But you're going to be able to learn how to market. That's the key to it all. Joining new programs is not going to help you implement, get the conversions and the sales. You got to get that coaching, and that's what you're going to get here. So this is my hub for all the learning. Even with my other programs, I can come over here and learn some things because everybody can learn something. Okay, you never stop learning. Yes, I may be a little more advanced than you, but I'm still also learning more strategies, and that's what I love. All right, so this is the hub. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. You could have just joined something yesterday, but guess what? Now you got to learn how to market it. How do I get traffic? How do I get sales? All that. This is that hub. Then we go over here. Again, this is just one resource. It's not the end all be all, but I like the idea of being able to have 200 leads that I can send my offer to every day. And obviously, they are opening these emails. 6,000 people here. Okay? 6,000 opened it. Okay? 4,000 the day before that. All right? So these people are actually opening these emails. All right? And then if I look right here under my leads, check it out. January 2nd, I had 200 leads that came in. And see right here, it's telling me I can't send out again, or I won't get 200 leads more until 16 hours. You get 200, you'll get 100 because you're just starting. But if you have at least one person you sign up with you to get this system, they give you 200. So every 24 hours, I can get my leads and I can send them to whatever offer I want. And so what we're doing is using this one for HBA. And I'm thinking about getting another My Lead Gen Secret account where I can get another 100, right? And you can do that. And I can use that one for another business opportunity, okay? Because it's only $30, all right, every month. And then it's $30 for the setup, okay? And then that's one time, $30 setup, $30 a month. And you got your whole mailing system here, all right? So that's what we got going on. So go check it out. Get your $25 business. Come over here to coffeeandcoins.info. Click right here where it says click here to start your $25 digital business. Or I also put a link in the description as well. Get paid from home.info. All right. And then I also have the link in the description for My Lead Gen Secret. Get your account today for only $60. You can start getting you 100 leads today, guys. Again, it's one time. The setup is $30, right? One time. And then it's going to be 30 every month. Because 30 every month is going to give you 3,000 leads. So $60 today. Next month it'll be 30. And the next month it'll be 30 and 30, 30, 30. They also have an affiliate side to it as well. We've gone over that. We're not going to do that today. But go there, check it out. Get your account today. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Happy New Year once again. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. I will see you on the next video. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. Hang on. I want you to see this type of business even works on the holidays. Look, a sale came in. Look, tells me right here, look, January 1st. That was yesterday. HBA, Hot Diggity Money Dancing Dog. You made a sale. I'm blocking out the person's name, but you see that on the first. So these programs work even when you're not working. I was not working, doing anything with the business yesterday. I mean, I did one video, But look what happens when you're not, when you set things up and you use systems. All right. So this thing works even on holidays. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.